These gorgeous purple cartridges have been optimized for use in permanent makeup procedures and are packed with features to make your life easier and your work better. Hey everyone, it's Charlotte here from Killer Beauty, and today we're looking at this range of Mast Pro cartridges from DragonHawk. Complete with stabilizers and membranes and an optimized design, here's everything you need to know about these beauties. The first thing anyone will notice about these cartridges is their color. The vivid purple really stands out on your work tray, but it's transparent enough that you can still keep an eye on how much pigment is in the cartridge. These shells have been designed prioritizing right angles over a curved design that can distort your view of the pigment level. This is perfect for the ultra-precise work and fine details. Have you ever found that your client's sensitive skin is bothered by the thin edge of a cartridge shell? Not with these. The specially thickened plastic openings ensure that even if the cartridge touches skin, it will minimize any discomfort. The needles within these cartridges are made from polished 304L stainless steel, which are kept in place thanks to an internal stabilizer. A narrow tip at the end of the cartridge also helps to minimize side-to-side action, eliminating any instability which can make creating lines difficult. The range of cartridge configurations shows a lot of consideration as there aren't hundreds of types of sizes and diameters. You're sure to find one to suit your preference and your clients. Round shaders are available with up to 7 pins between 0.25 and 0.3 millimeters, each with a short taper. Round magnums have slightly larger pins at 0.3 to 0.35 millimeters, with up to 9 pins and a medium taper. Round magnum stack needles have the same diameter and potential number of pins, but with a short taper. There are plenty of small needle options available in the round liner range for creating ultra-crisp lip lines or realistic fine brow strokes. DragonHawk Mast Pro cartridges are fitted with safety membranes to prevent the backflow of fluids into your machine and are individually sterilized and packaged. If DragonHawk Mast Pro cartridges seem like the perfect fit for you, head to the description and follow our link to get yours today. Never miss a video by turning on notifications for the Killer Beauty channel, or let us know what you think by commenting, liking, or subscribing.